For over 25 years, the Ford Expedition has been more than just a vehicle. It's been a reliable partner in life's biggest moments. The all-new Ford Expedition represents the most ambitious evolution of the nameplate ever. Here's everything you need to know about the all-new Ford Expedition.
The all-new Expedition was designed not only to get our customers where they need to go, but to be a fundamental part of the experience once they arrive. One way we achieve that is through Expedition's all-new Ford Splitgate. It combines a traditional liftgate on top with a pickup tailgate at the bottom, giving a variety of options to easily access the cargo area. If your hands are full, you can stand near the back of the vehicle for a few seconds, and the Ford Splitgate will automatically open thanks to Expedition's available open on approach feature. You can easily convert the cargo space into a serving table, a shelf, or even additional seating with Expedition's available cargo tailgate manager. If you're like me and you love to spend a night out at the campsite, Expedition's available 360-degree zone lighting has you covered. An array of lights illuminate the entire area around the vehicle for extended hangouts. Control of zone lighting, including the ability to light specific areas around the vehicle, can be operated through Expedition's redesigned infotainment system.
We designed Expedition's interior cabin to help establish a sense of calm and order. The centerpiece of this redesign is an all-new 24-inch panoramic display, coupled with a 13.2-inch center touchscreen. Expedition's new driver information display takes the place of a traditional gauge cluster, and its elevated position is strategically placed to help drivers see crucial information easily while keeping their eyes upward and out on the road ahead. You'll find new first-row seating designs with available heated, cooled, and massaging functions. In the second row, passengers will enjoy available heated captain seats. Those in the second row will also have easier access to center console features like cup holders and climate controls, thanks to Expedition's available flex-powered console. Plus, when the center console slides back, it reveals a hidden storage space in the front row, perfectly designed for small bag or purse. And in the third row, we added a new flexible bench seat. This new seating option is designed to add a long center aisle through the cabin, perfect for carrying adventure gear like skis or fishing rods. Expedition leaves no one behind, with seating for up to 8, and Expedition Max can fit even more cargo with nearly 12 inches of added storage.
Our customers live fast-paced lives. They need to stay connected to the things that matter most. The all-new Expedition is designed to ensure our customers experience a seamless digital connection when they hit the road. From the moment a customer sits behind the wheel of the all-new Expedition, they're immersed in their own one-of-a-kind personalized digital ecosystem. The Ford Digital Experience is the fastest infotainment system Ford has ever offered. Customers can create personalized accounts to access unique apps and content, all of which is displayed front and center, to help make time behind the wheel more enjoyable, whether you're on the road or parked. The available Ford Connectivity Package powers the Ford Digital Experience to give you access to navigation, your favorite music, podcasts, gaming, videos, and productivity apps, plus a Wi-Fi hotspot. Expedition's panoramic display works perfectly with the latest version of Blue Cruise hands-free highway driving. Owners will have a smoother hands-free driving experience, plus new features such as lane change assist, allowing the driver to change lanes hands-free at the tap of the turn signal, and in-lane repositioning, which subtly repositions your vehicle away from vehicles in adjacent lanes. Whether you're commuting to work or on a family road trip, Blue Cruise is here to help.
Expedition makes it easy to tackle your adventures in the everyday and beyond. Under the hood, Expedition is powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering a target standard output of 400 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. A high-output version of this engine is also available on select trims, enabling up to 440 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. When it comes to towing, Expedition offers the capability you need and more. Properly equipped, it's capable of up to 7,000 pounds of towing capacity without the need for a load leveling bar. Add a load leveling bar, and the max capacity increases to 9,600 pounds. Plus, you can make the boat launch a breeze with a technology suite that includes Pro Trailer Backup Assist, Pro Trailer Hitch Assist, and Trailer Sway Control, which together make the towing experience easier than ever before. Add an Expedition's new front and rear independent suspension, and you get a smooth ride, responsive shifting, and uncompromised handling. We've kept the best for last. A model designed to break boundaries and redefine what's possible in the segment. Meet the first ever Expedition Tremor, designed for families who seek adventures that begin after the pavement ends, with true 4x4 off-road prowess and a premium interior. With the same comforts that make the rest of the lineup shine, Expedition Tremor adds off-road gear to take on more rugged adventures. It boasts the high-output 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, 33-inch all-terrain tires, 10.6 inches of ground clearance, a dedicated rock roll mode, retuned suspension and steering. With Raptor-style running boards and front skid plate, Expedition has never been more off-road ready. The 2025 Expedition is built to deliver more adventure, more confidence, more capability, more memories, and more togetherness with the people that matter most during the moments that matter most. The all-new 2025 Ford Expedition. More starts here.